Hey guys, hope you all are doing great. Right now, currently I am at site and we are rising the column right now. So in this video, I am gonna tell you what are the things we do for construction of columns. So guys, this is the column reinforcement, these are the main bars. And first, let's discuss what are columns. Columns are the vertical members of RCC structure and which transfer the slab and beam load to the ground. So about the columns reinforcement, these are the main bars and these are called as stirrups, which are nearly lesser the diameter. The main bars are the stronger, which holds the tensile force, which counter the tensile force. Because the reason of using steel in columns is because steel is good in tension and concrete is weaker in tension. Just to withstand the tensile force and all the other vertical and horizontal loads. To withstand that load, we use steel in the columns. So coming up to the construction process of the column, first what we do is we have something called preparing of shoes. As you guys can see, after marking of footing, we mark the columns, and after marking the columns we mark the exact shape of the column and we create a shoe. And after every floor we leave some lapping length. We leave the steel which is called as lapping length, which we have for all the columns, just to lap the new bars of the new floor, by which we can continue the reinforcement of the column. Like how you can see, these are the old reinforcement which was left for the continuation of the column. And after that we make the lapping. After that we do the lapping, and as you guys can see, these rods have been lapped, and the lapping length for the column is 50 the diameters. And after erecting the steel into the column, what we do is we give the shuttering. We create with the help of wooden box or steel box. These are the steel box and it is a wooden box. With these box we create a foam work in the shape of column, and we do the concreting. Concreting can be done in both ways, also by hand mix or machine mix. Usually if the number of concrete, if the quantity of concrete is very less, people, engineers or contractors usually do in a hand mix. If the quantity of concrete is comparatively more, we do it with the machine mix. So that's all for today, guys. That's all for today. In the upcoming videos, I'll come up with more extra knowledge about site. So till then, take care, and if you like the channel, do subscribe. Thank you.